How to change your Gmail profile picture on your laptop or your computer devices. The first you have to do is to be sure that you log into your Gmail account using Google Chrome. Now, once you log into your Gmail account, you have access to this profile icon at the top of the screen. Then click on the profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon, go ahead and click on this button that says manage your account. That is manage your account. Click on this button. Once you click on this button, you have yourself at this place. So I'll be guiding you in two different ways to change your profile picture. The first one is to come to this place and click on this photo icon. Once you click on the photo icon, it comes out like this. Then you can select from this option to change your profile picture by selecting from what you see here, or you go back by clicking on this to pick from what you save on your Google photo. You can pick from this one as well. You can click this one to choose from your device if you have any picture on your device. The last is you can click on this one to take from the camera of your device. That is the first way to change the profile picture of your device. The second way is to go to the personal information here. You click on it. Once you click on this information, it comes out like this. You have access to other important information here, other important information here. So go ahead and click on this profile picture option. Once you click on it, just wait a few seconds. It loads up like this. Then you can now follow the same process by clicking on browse illustration to select any image for yourself, or you click on Google Photo to select image for yourself, or you upload from Drive, or you click on this take picture button to upload image for yourself. So that is the simple process, guys, on how to change profile image on your Gmail account using your computer. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.